This next one is no laughing matter. Did you know that CDL holders can get into big trouble if they use a commercial motor vehicle to commit a felony sexual assault? This is in addition to any sentencing that they would get from a court. Sexual harassment or sexual assault in the trucking industry has been found to be an issue at truck stops, fueling stations, and some are even in connection with CMV driver training. Now, I don't want to totally discount the possibility of male drivers getting sexually harassed or assaulted, but I'm going to have to assume that there are a lot more cases of women falling victim to this issue. As you know from our previous articles and podcasts, we have talked about the increase in the number of women joining the trucking industry. And in an industry that is predominantly men, you can see why this issue is getting increasingly worse and needing to be addressed. Women in Trucking did a survey and found that almost 20% of truck drivers feel that being a truck driver isn't safe, especially for women. Some drivers are worried about their safety during training, especially if their trainer is a different gender. And many think that having same-gender trainers would help alleviate this problem. There are a lot more stats from this survey to support this issue, and you can view those in the article linked below, where you can also find an interview that we did with the founder of Women in Trucking. To help combat this issue, the FMCSA has released details in their December 7th Notice of Enforcement Policy, which states a new rule that if someone uses their truck to commit a felony sexual assault, they will be penalized. Surprisingly, they are giving drivers a second chance before completely banning them from driving trucks. A driver's first conviction will result in a 1-year disqualification. Now, if the driver is hauling hazardous materials, that first offense would actually be a 3-year disqualification. Any second felony conviction would result in a lifetime disqualification. Now, with the lifetime bans, with the exception of any situation that deals with controlled substances or human trafficking, you could get approved to drive a truck again after 10 years. But if you like to party or traffic humans, you're screwed, and rightfully so. Not cool, man. Not cool. But for those of you committing those standard felonies out there, it kind of works like good behavior in prison. If you don't have any incidents and go through a rehabilitation program, maybe you can get your CDL reinstated. If you have any questions or concerns about this issue, you can always contact us by email or phone, or by filling out the form below. We'd be happy to help or point you in the right direction.